ministers on the coronavirus crisis met today with everyone in mask for the first time. The meeting was held at the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. India's tally of COVID-19 cases rose to 5,734 on Thursday after an increase of 540 cases in the last 24 hours. 17 deaths have been reported in this period, which takes the number of dead to 166 in India. Telangana government has come out with a series of operational guidelines for all the government and private hospitals in the state for the disposal of the bodies of COVID-19 patients. The government has suggested that every hospital follows a standard operational procedure in dealing with the bodies and allocates a separate single room that can operate as a makeshift mortuary, which should be sprayed with disinfectants regularly to ensure it's free from infection. As per the BMC report, third coronavirus death reported in Dharavi today. A 70-year-old woman in Dharavi tested positive on Thursday and died few hours later at a hospital at PAREL. The high-risk contacts of this patient is being investigated by the local BMC ward office. Total positive cases in Dharavi is 14 and 3 deaths have been reported so far. A 22-year-old man was allegedly beaten to death in Delhi's Bhavana after he was suspected of a conspiracy to spread COVID-19. The victim, identified as Mehboob Ali, had gone to Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh for a Tablighi Jamaat conference and returned to Delhi in a truck of vegetables after 45 days. He was held at the Azadpur vegetable market and released after medical examination. When he returned to his village, he was lynched on the suspicion of a conspiracy to spread coronavirus. Indian Medical Association announced today that the country reported its first death of a doctor. 62-year-old Dr. Shatrughan Panjwani was a physician who expired at 4 a.m. at a hospital in Indore. He was not involved in the treatment of coronavirus patients, but he worked with the slum dwellers. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson on Thursday began a 4th day in the intensive care, improving in his battle with coronavirus as his government prepared to extend a nationwide lockdown introduced last month. Johnson is the most high-profile world leader to become infected with COVID-19.